Hello, cryptid-shaped friends! It's Tiffany, and I'm back, baby! The past couple years have been full of big life changes. I got a new job, I got divorced, got a new partner, moved states, bought a house, and finally have the creative space set up. So I am coming back to videos. I am really excited to be able to be in a space to do this again. I've really missed it. And I haven't created quite as much in the past couple years as I normally do. And obviously, big life changes always take priority. But I'm back, and the channel's getting a little bit of a rebrand into the Cryptid Club, because sometimes I disappear like a little cryptid, and I think sometimes you guys do too. So together we're gonna come here, do our little cryptid fun times, and go off back into the woods on our merry way. The channel's also probably going to get a little less sewing only focused. I have a handful of new hobbies now. I've gotten into Warhammer, I've gotten into Magic the Gathering, I've been reading like crazy, so we're gonna kind of bring all of that into this space here as we move forward. And this new space is something I'm still exploring. I haven't figured out the best way to film in here yet or how I want to do that content. So we're going to kind of take that little jump in together. We're going to be making the Burnside Bibs jumpsuit pattern. I've had it in my pattern collection for a while now. I've also had fabric for it for a while now, and I'm only finally in a place where I can actually create it. So as we get our feet back wet into sewing, into videos, we might not be as polished as normal. This is certainly not a tutorial, and there's not going to be as much actual at the sewing table content in the video. We're going to talk a little bit more through the process and show it, but I hope you'll go on this little cryptidy crafting journey with me, and let's get into it. I'll see you at the cutting table. So we're going to be doing a wearable mock-up first, and that is mostly because I have changed sizes, and so I don't fully trust the size chart yet in this pattern. And before I cut into my beautiful linen, I want to make sure everything fits. So I have some leftover Star Wars bed sheets, and so we are going to be making our mock-up in this. I, however, only had one twin fitted sheet, so these are going to be shorts instead of full-length pants. Otherwise, I wouldn't have had enough, and it felt odd to mix some other fabrics in here instead of just going full bed sheet away. So I did manage to cut out everything in the bed sheet with some strategic piecing, making the pants shorts instead. So let's get sewing and see how this mock-up looks. All right, mock-up complete. So I'm honestly really happy with how simple this pattern is, how easy it came together, and how it looks. I do think I could go down a size. So I'm doing view 2, which just goes straight up over the hips. I'm not dealing with the zipper or the more fitted pants or anything like that. So it is going to like bunch a lot more in the back with how it ties on, but I don't mind it. I do think, like I said, I could go down a size in the pattern, but I'm not sure if I really want to. But I'm really pleased with how I was able to cut out this pattern. Like, we have R2 and Leia, like, really big. I've got the Death Star on the pocket and some more R2 over here. Like, I'm really pleased with how it looks. And I actually really like it as shorts. I'm really excited to wear them. The plan was for this to be a very like wearable mock-up, and it has achieved everything we wanted for it. So now we get to do the whole pair that I was originally planning to do. These ones will be full-length pants because I have enough fabric for it, and it's going to be in a beautiful striped linen. So let's go get that. All right, so this is the fabric we're going to be making the full-length pants out of. As you can see, it's this black and white with this beautiful floral piece in here. What I'm hoping to do with this, because I do have enough fabric for it. Oh, well, so much for the pop filter in my microphone. But since I do have enough fabric for that, unlike this, I am going to attempt to fussy cut the pattern so that it is just along the stripe of the pant so that it looks almost seamless in being part of the stripe. We'll see how that goes. I'm not 100% married to that if I can't achieve it, but I should have enough fabric that it should be no problem at all. I'm also thinking I might shorten these straps a little bit. They are incredibly long, which is nice for versatility of how you can like tie this, but I think it actually is a little like too much because I'm very short. I have a very short like waist, so there's not like a lot of torso that these straps have to get through. So I do think I'm going to shorten the straps as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get on into it. And it's complete. I am so proud of this jumpsuit, and I honestly just love the way it looks, the way it wears. I was a little unsure with the pattern with the mock-up that we did, but I think that's just a case of materials being different. This linen drapes so perfectly. It looks so good. I actually really love how wide the legs are all the way down. So I'm really excited to have this as a stable part of my wardrobe now. And if you are ever interested in the Burnside Bibs pattern, I highly recommend it. It comes together really easily. It's a great one-day project and it fits awesome. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.